Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your location on Instagram Maps so nobody can see where you've been or where you post from. Instagram Maps is a feature that lets people view posts based on location. And if you'd rather keep that private, you can disable it completely. Start by opening Instagram. From your home feed, tap the messages icon in the top right corner. At the top of your messages screen, you'll see the map option. Tap that to open Instagram Maps. Now look in the top right corner and tap Settings. You'll see a section that asks who can see your location. You'll have different options like friends, close friends, or only these friends. To turn location visibility off completely, select No One. After that, make sure to tap Update at the bottom so your changes are saved. If Instagram doesn't show any map settings at all, that likely means you never allowed Instagram to use your phone's location. And in that case, the map feature is already disabled by default, so you're already protected. And that's it. Your location is now turned off and hidden on the Instagram map. You can now browse, post, and share without your map activity being visible to others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.